Welcome back to Supercar Elegant. Today we're diving into the future of luxury. Get ready to witness the most advanced sedan on Earth. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. The exterior of the 2026 S-Class is bold, futuristic, and commanding. With its reworked grille, laser-thin headlights, aerodynamic contours, and intelligent lighting system, this S-Class looks like it just rolled out of a sci-fi movie. Mercedes has made it clear they're here to dominate the luxury space. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful hybrid engine paired with next-level AI driving technology. We're talking about fully autonomous mode, adaptive suspension that reads the road in real time, and even biometric driver recognition. This car doesn't just drive, it learns you. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a private jet. Ambient lighting adjusts to your mood, screens are everywhere, and the new MBUX Hyperscreen stretches across the dashboard in stunning detail. There's even an AI-powered virtual assistant that feels eerily human. The ride? Effortless, silent, majestic. It glides like a whisper and adapts to every movement. Whether you're in sport mode or just cruising, the S-Class delivers perfection. Mercedes-Benz didn't just release another sedan, they dropped a statement. The 2026 S-Class is redefining luxury, comfort, and innovation. If this is the future of driving, we can't wait to get there. Subscribe for more stunning supercar reveals and futuristic automotive content. This is Supercar Elegant, where elegance meets horsepower.